There's a reason why we push away love and joy. A deeper reason than because we think we don't deserve it. It's because it's completely overwhelming. The love that you're actually capable of feeling for yourself, for others, for the world that you've only glimpsed a handful of times throughout your life. It's obliterating. It destroys the barriers inside yourself, the judgments of others, the grudges you hold. It purifies everything that is not it. So you say you want to feel real love and joy, but it will destroy you. It will destroy you in the best way. Your idea of who you are, who others are, what you think the world is, it can't survive the energy of real love. It's that feeling when you look at someone and think to yourself, I love them so much, I could explode. Well, your subconscious takes that literally and finds a way to bury that intensity. It doesn't think it's safe for your soul to be on fire. So if you want to hold that energy, you have to hold it a little bit at a time. See it as a muscle that you can build. Feel it and see that it only destroys the parts of you that were never true to begin with. Only the real will remain. And then feel it some more until it consumes you. And you wouldn't want it any other way.